thinking about your love tonight. Two hearts gonna make our worlds collide, baby. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. Two-step in me, baby, slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight. Two hearts gonna make our worlds collide.
Hey, Matt here with Avant-Garde, or better well known as 911R and Bring a Trailer. We're here down here in our Scottsdale showroom, and we're getting ready to be launching for our Bring a Trailer Car Week collection. And just want to kind of invite everybody to come down and see us if you're down here for any of the live auctions, and come by and see our facility here in North Scottsdale. We're very close to Westworld, so if you are going by Barrett-Jackson, we're less than a mile away if you want to come by and visit our showroom. You can see we have lots of great stuff in our showroom, and then out in our storage area. We have about 65 cars here at any time, all getting ready to go up on Bring a Trailer. But we're super excited about what we're doing with Bring a Trailer, and us being a partner with Bring a Trailer and representing these cars for our clients and the cars that we're running. So we'll go out and you can see the 10-car collection. That's going to be the Scottsdale Bring a Trailer Car Week. All right, so 911R's Scottsdale Car Collection that we're running here during Car Week is these following 10 cars. These cars will be starting off an auction in the next day, which would be tomorrow is Thursday, and we'll be running for the next roughly 10 days for the entirety of this group of cars to run. Again, they're all here in our North Scottsdale location, and you're welcome to come by and see them here during Car Week. First car in the group is a 1988 BMW B7 Turbo. This car is a Japanese import and is in really rare special condition. Second car is a 2022 Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet with 3,200 miles in a beautiful blue with light gray interior. This is a very special car. It's a 1975 Nissan 2000 GT. This has got a 3.5 stroker motor and was redone by the experts at JDM Legends. Very unique car. All right, here we have a 1976 912E, but this is probably the coolest 912E on the planet. It has been redone by Patrick Motorsports. It's got a 3-liter in it and is all set up as a RS lightweight long hood. Very special one. '64 Corvette Stingray. This is a 365 horse factory original motor. Is a one family ownership history. We have all the paperwork and documents on the car. It is numbers matching and tuxedo black. 2024 Porsche Targa, paint to sample with custom leather interior. Only 825 miles on it. She's ready to go. 2008 Porsche GT2, the modern Widowmaker. This car has 24,000 miles on it and is all serviced and prepped up. 1969 Camaro, full custom hot rod or street rod. It's got an LS2 in it, 6-speed gearbox, custom suspension, brakes, all the stuff, carbon fiber hood, really custom built 69 Camaro. Highly sought after 2024 Porsche Dakar, the Rough Roads edition with the full roof rack and all the extra goodies that come with it. Only 800 miles on this car. We got a 76 Porsche backdate done by Patrick Motorsports. It's got a 3.4 fuel injected motor in it. All the suspension, all the custom touches, very custom interior with Recaro orthoped seats. Really custom little hot rod is ready to rip all the roads, and it has AC. Treat you right, two-step in me, baby, slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight. All right, these are the 10 special cars for Arizona Car Week that 911R is putting up. We're very excited to be a partner with Bring a Trailer and be able to put up this great collection of cars. Hopefully, again, like I say, come by and see us here in Arizona. If you're local or you're visiting for Car Week, should be a great excitement at time and always good bidding on Bring a Trailer. Thank you very much.